here we are on a rather cold November's day, and we're on the shore at Scoughall, just at the entrance to the Firth of Forth. Got the North Sea out here. It's a great area for seabirds. The Bass Rock is one of David Attenborough's 10 wildlife wonders of the world, home to the single biggest northern gannet colony. But recent storms have decimated some of the local seabirds, with huge numbers of dead cormorants on the rocks that just died due to starvation of weeks of bad weather. And to make things worse, there's the likes of this terrible situation where we've got a lovely oyster catcher. I literally just found this in the rocks 10 minutes ago, and it has died because it's got caught up in fishing gear. You've got nylon, for leisure fishermen that have been out maybe looking for cod or mackerel out in these waters. They've lost some gear. It's come up on the shore, and this poor oyster catcher has been minding its own business, looking for its next meal, and got tangled in this horrendous plastic, and will have died a horrible death. And it just reminds us all that what we're doing is very worthwhile, and it just shows how important it is that we get the shores cleaned up and we don't leave all this junk lying around to cause such terrible injury and death to nature.